Good morning, children. After a long time, come back to our academic session. Me, Bhargavi, I am going to teach you social science.
Good morning, children. After long lockdown, now we have to move with our academics. So, today we are going to learn about the amazing festivals of India. Wow! Everyone loves to celebrate festivals. Not just because of new dresses, sweets, or holidays. Festival means something is there to celebrate. Every festival is celebrated in different way too. In India, we celebrate many festivals. A festival is a time for fun, joy, and celebration. We call India is a land of festivals because not a single month goes without a festival. We celebrate at least one festival in a month. That's why we call India is a land of festivals. Why do we call India is a land of festivals? We call India is a land of festivals because not a single month goes without a festival. In India, we celebrate many festivals. Kinds of festivals. Festivals are mainly three kinds. These are national days, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. By the end of the lesson, you will come to know why festivals are divided into three kinds. Name the three kinds of festivals. Three kinds of festivals are national days, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. National days or festivals. National days are celebrated throughout the country. Everyone participates in national days. All Indian people celebrate national days. National days are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Name the national days in India. National days in India are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. India got its freedom from the British rule on 15th August 1947. To remember our freedom fighters, we celebrate Independence Day. On this day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at Red Fort, which is located in New Delhi. When do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. When did India get freedom from the British rule? India got its freedom from the British rule on 15th August 1947? Who hoists the national flag at Red Fort? The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at Red Fort. Republic Day. On 26 January, we celebrate Republic Day. A grand parade is held at Rajpath in New Delhi. Tableaux from different states make the parade lively. Children who win awards for bravery are part of the parade. When do we celebrate Republic Day? We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October. We celebrate this day as Gandhi Jayanti. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He led the Indians in their fight for freedom from the British. So, we also call him the father of the nation. On Gandhi Jayanti, a function is held his Samadhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. The President, Prime Minister and others offer prayers at the Samadhi and all over the country. When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. To whom we call father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi.